good morning, everybody. I'm Mommy Ems. Today, sending love and please keep safe, everybody. Today, we're gonna share to you our favorite tinola chicken. Very simple recipe, but yet is delicious and safe for children. Now we have prepared our recipes, and we have a chopped garlic, onions, and ginger, plus spinach and chayotes to make it more delicious for children. And of course, we have chicken chopped. It's just half kilo, guys. And now we preheat that. Bilis lang po siya para hindi din siya masunog kasi once masunog na siya, it become bitter. And you can also add nice, and the children likes it. Like my son, he really likes chayote. And this is also a tip, mga parents. If your kids, usually kids doesn't like to eat a lot of vegetables, whatever kinds of vegetables, they don't like to eat it. So ilagay na lang natin siya sa soup para pag nahigop nila yung sabaw, is still delicious. My gosh, we have to wait a little while again. Pakuluan lang siya hanggang maging softer. And a few minutes, kailangan mo naman siyang bisitahin. Oh my gosh, the smells, man. I'm so hungry, guys. And now is ready to put our softer vegetables na mabilisan lang kasi it's about time na. Luto na siya, guys. And we put our spinach. Spinach is even more good for your children. Is para mo, lahat siya na marami siyang vitamins at saka minerals na makukuha para sa kids. Again, pag higupin nila, very good. You can get all the nutrients they needed. And guys, remember, spinach is very fast to cook. So, hindi mo siya kailangan pinagpakuluan mo siya. Hindi siya mo kailangan late, anong tawag nito? Matagal i-close yung cover kasi mawawala yung green na color niya. So, ma-overcook siya. Another tips, guys. Kailangan mo siyang don't cover it. And now we're ready! Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry! Dig in, guys! I'm so excited to eat, but with this kind of food, surely I will have a lot of extra rice! My gosh! Paano ito mag-diet, guys? My goodness! Oh my gosh! Let's dig in and enjoy your lunch. Everybody, please remember, whatever comes into our lives, God is good all the time. He will never forsake you. Just pray. Keep safe, guys. Thank you for watching our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click the subscription button, and of course, please click the notification button so that when we have our new videos, you can watch also, and we can share to you our latest recipes. Thank you, guys, for watching. Love, love, love forever. Mommy M signing off. Bye-bye. Have a nice day, guys.